Hey everybody, Al here. So I got a package in the mail today. I've been waiting this since its release date. It's the new Garmin Tactix 7 Pro with applied ballistics. I was real excited when that first came out. I was going to get the Delta, but so I inquired about it the next day. This was out. It was 2 Wednesdays ago, I believe. For the last 6 years I've been wearing this one. This is a Vivo Active HR GPS smartwatch with Elevate wrist heart rate technology. This has been a really good watch. This is it here. But this new one does absolutely way more than this one does. So in the 6 years I had, just wanted to drop it once right on the face, and it's a touch watch, and it cracked it, and Garmin for $80 sent me a new one, so I thought that was well worth it. It's been good ever since. Let's open this thing up. Look at the package, just completely beat up. I don't know what UPS did with it, but let's see what the box looks like inside. See if there's any damage to it. There it is. The box looks okay. So that's it there. The Tactix 7 Pro with applied ballistics. So let's open this up and see. This is the Tactix 7 Pro ballistics solar powered tactical GPS watch, and it also has a sapphire bezel, so it doesn't get scratched as easy, and it is titanium as well. So let's open her up. There we go. Wow, is that thing ever nice looking. Okay. Very nice looking. It's got the nylon wristband. And it does come with another wristband too. Let's see what else is in this box. I already know, but that's it. Comes with another watch band, a silicone one. It has the quick interchanging clamps for changing it on your watch, and it comes with a charging cable and a quick start guide in just about every kind of language you can think of. And this here is important safety information. This is what we call the fine print. So back to the watch. This is first year it came out with touchscreen. This watch has absolutely so much stuff. It's actually cold inside it that I'll never be able to go over it right now. So replace this. I take that off. I need to turn it on. I believe you just press and hold the light button. There it is. DLC titanium sapphire, waterproof to 100 meters, thermal shock proof. There it is. I applied ballistics. Copyright 2022. Loading maps. It comes with all the maps on the continent that you can think of. In the older one, you had to purchase them. These are all the different languages. A lot of people haven't done much of a review on the applied ballistics, so I'm going to do an in-depth one where I actually solely just use the applied ballistics algorithm on this watch for shooting out to long range. It does pair with ranging binoculars or a rangefinder, which is what I really want to focus on. Okay, there we go. We'll go with English, so that is enter, I believe. So I'm going to pair with my phone, Hit yes. Okay, already did that. It says go to mobile device and add Garmin devices. Add device. So I'm doing that now. There it goes. It found ready to connect your Tactix 7 Pro Ballistics. Connect. Allow. Go replace. Okay, it's now doing a setup. So this watch also has the brand new heart monitor, titanium. The watch does not weigh that much. Of course, this one here is lighter because this one is all plastic. But this one here, I believe, has a 51mm bezel. Telling me to hit next. Okay, I'm going to sync it now. Finished already. That's it. So there's my watch, and that is the actual time and everything. Ooh, look at that touch screen. Oops. That's the back button. 11,000. Okay, so actually going off my it's going off my last setup on this watch, because it's saying to, oops, okay, oh, there's my steps, 11,150. That's what my daily one should be, and so it's going off that one, off the other Vivo Active. That's the back button, that I do know. There we go, there's Applied Ballistics. I can scroll down. Jump Master, Track Me, Navigate, Project, Map, Favorites, Fly. So this thing has a complete app on it for flying. So if I want to hit that one, I hit enter, and then I can scroll down. This is neat to have. I don't know if I'll use it because I don't fly, but I think there's a hunting one on here too, which will be really nice. Oops, I'll have to figure that out. Okay, so let's go back to the Applied Ballistics, if I remember how. There it is there. I hit enter again. So it's telling me elevation 11.5, so this is just a generic one that they already had set up in there, I believe. I can quick edit, range card, environment, target, profile, setup. Let's see what setup does. Input, units, wind. Aerodynamic jump on. Okay, so basically that's the watch so far. I do not know a lot about this watch yet, but I am going to learn it and show you guys more. So the main reason I bought this watch is for all the activities, like the GPS tracking and stuff, all the maps, and it has a hunt app on it as well, and it also has that, and then Applied Ballistics. That is the main reason why I got this watch. I really wanted to use the Applied Ballistics. And on the phone here, if I just go, there's a Garmin app here. It's called the Applied Ballistic Snaps by Garmin. I can put all my rifle data in here and transfer it back and forth on the watch. So that should be a lot easier. I'm just finishing that up. Okay, so congratulations on your Tactix 7 Pro Ballistics. I can just get started, and I imagine this here is gonna take me through a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna do that and then show you more on this watch as I go. as you know, I can't shoot right now. So I will have to get someone else to do the shooting while I figure everything, all the ballistics out. So I can customize all these watch faces too. I believe if I hit these two buttons, yeah, activated. So that's called the kill switch. And then I just press any button to cancel it. I can put it in stealth mode. It's got the weather. Might see some snow. This is daily. 12-hour trend. Air quality. I can just go back. Sunset tells me when the sun sets. Hit enter. There we go. So right now it's like 12:30. It tells you right up there where it is, what the time of day is and where we're at. And so today at 19:59, the sun is going to set. And at 6:02 it rises. So I just hit the back button and I scroll down. This is the ABC. That's your altitude, barometric pressure, and compass. There we go. This is the compass, barometric pressure, and altitude. So my altitude here is 522 meters. There's my, which way I'm pointing, and that's correct because north is that way. And barometer, I'm not sure how to read that yet. So I'm going to go back, go down, performance, training. Last activity was this morning, and that's what I did. Just on the elliptical, 20 minutes. My heart rate, I don't have it on right now. I believe this is your, I'm not sure what this is. I'll have to look. I might be the O2 sensor. Sleep. No data. That's all the widgets here. There's a pulse oxygen sensor as well. And back. Now I'm back to the main page. Okay, I'm going to look into this more and play with it more. And so this is the Garmin Tactix 7 Pro with applied ballistics, and you'll be seeing a lot more about the applied ballistics on here from me in the future. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you don't miss any future videos on this watch here. Thanks everybody. Take care.